Hello, my name is Muhammad Shafi. I have 9 years of experience in structural engineering and I am a structural developer. Today I am here to show you one of my new applications that manipulates STAAD Pro with Excel and automate one of the repetitive tasks with high quality and accuracy. If you are a structural engineer in the field of oil and gas, so you are familiar with pipe racks and the piping loads. So, if you wanted to add piping loads such as empty, operating, test, anchor, friction by a smart way, so this tool for you. Now let me show you the program right now. First you must fill the data of pipelines, which is pipeline tag, pipe size, level of the pipeline and its location from reference point, vertical loads, empty, operating, test, anchor and friction load and the anchorage position. Just after that you are now ready to use my application. Let's press show form. In the top of the application you must fill the load case reference number for empty, operating, test loads, friction and the anchor. Then the program asks you on which level and axis you want to add the loads, and after that you will see the filtered data on the right window. In the next input field, enter the effective spacing for that axis. Then you must mention measure beam orientation instead. And the program offers you many options, like if you want to consider the friction value in both directions. Then coming to my favorite part in this video, you have 3 options to insert loads instead. The first one is to just insert one load, and the other one to insert all loads for all pipelines, and the third one is to insert all loads but for pipes greater than specific diameter. And here it is. So I will let you now with the program. At the end of the video, thank you for watching and for your time. If you wanted to contact me, here is my phone number in the bottom right corner of the video and my email. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.